To save money with Cash App, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once you have the app, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After setting up your account, link your bank account or debit card to the app to enable transactions. Cash App offers a variety of features that can help you save money, including the ability to send and receive money, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and earn rewards. One way to save money with Cash App is by using the cashback feature. When you use the Cash App debit card, you can earn cashback rewards at certain merchants, such as coffee shops, restaurants, and gas stations. To take advantage of this feature, make sure to activate the cashback offers in the app before making a purchase. Another way to save money is by using the Cash App Savings feature, known as the Savings Vault. This feature allows you to set aside a portion of your money into a separate vault, where it can earn interest and be kept separate from your everyday spending money. To use the Savings Vault, simply navigate to the Banking tab in the app, select the Savings Vault option, and choose the amount you want to save. In addition to these features, Cash App also offers a rewards program called Boosts. Boosts are instant discounts that you can apply to your purchases at certain merchants, such as restaurants, coffee shops, and gas stations. To use Boosts, navigate to the Rewards tab in the app, browse the available offers, and select the one you want to apply to your purchase. To get the most out of Cash App and save as much money as possible, make sure to regularly check the app for new cashback offers, boosts, and other rewards. You can also set up notifications to remind you when new offers are available or when you have earned rewards. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and rewards offered by Cash App, you can save money and make the most of your financial transactions.